Right, hello everybody, English Woodsman here, welcome to my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for clicking on my video. Tonight we're going to be doing a little bit of local woodland camping, just in some woods beyond these trees. If you're a subscriber to my channel, you've seen these woods a few times now. If you're not a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button and you won't miss any videos that we do from now on and later on in the year as well, winter camping sort of thing. So I'll get down, I'll get in at small woodland and I'll bring you back. Right, so we're at a little spot. It's 8 o'clock already and we're losing light. Winter time's on its way now. Tonight I'm going to be using, now if you're fairly new to my YouTube channel this year, you would not have seen me using this tent before. It's the OEX phoxx 1-man tent. It's jet black. It's a very, very low profile. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to set it all up. I'm going to bring you back. Right, so this part is the clip from the morning. Scott were happy asleep. See to the end of the video what I've done to him, and then you can check his video out and watch his reaction. I just thought I'd bring that in pretty early on in the video for these people who don't like to stay all the way to the end. Yeah, see what I do in the morning time to him. Right, so when I said low profile, I really do mean low profile tent. Now it is dark. I've got Oscar outdoors there shining his torch, so I hope I ain't killed too much light for you. And I've also got my light on my phone going, so I'm just hoping the picture quality can see us right, so I don't really want to be recording it time after time. But yeah, really nice little low profile 1-man tent. Just do that for now so I can get my bits and bats sorted out and get everything inside my tent. So what I'm using is my double sided inflatable airbed, and I use this, if I can get it out of the bag alright anyway, and put that aside. That'll fit almost perfect. My high gear luxury pillow, and then I've said in my other video before this, Andorra's or some sleeping bag. They say it's 4 seasons, but it's really good for the summertime. It's an old one. You can see my sleeping bag ripped. Well, the stuff sack is ripped there and there. So yeah, I've had it about 3-4 years, but it's still a really good summer sleeping bag to be having. And that's all I'm going to be putting inside. So let's get this all laid out and I'll bring you back. Right, so all set up. I really do like this sleeping mat. My sleeping bag and my trusty pillow. Since I brought the pillow out, my sleeping through the night has been a lot better. But yeah, this is the sleeping bag that we're on about here. I've even had to, you know, stitch parts there, and I've had to stitch it up at the bottom as well because the zip come off. But this is what I mean, you know, it's an old sleeping bag, but it still works brilliant. Right, so I was just thinking then, someone's going to ask me, I know they will, why are you using your old stuff when you've got all them OEX sleeping bags? The thing is, do you have anything old like a sleeping bag, and how old is your sleeping bag? Just because I've got the new ones, it don't mean, you know, I have to change all my equipment to new ones. I do like this sleeping bag for the summer because it's a lot wider as well. So yeah, if you've got an old sleeping bag, let me know how old it is and how often you use it. You know what, I think it's time, you know, we do what we like to do a little bit of cooking. Right, so if you've not yet seen this grill that I've got, it's the video below this, quick review of it, how to set it up and everything. There's been a few likes and dislikes about it. People don't like them, people do like them. To me personally, I think it's brilliant, but we'll use it for a few more times and then I'll give you an up-to-date how the stove's doing as well. Well, the grill's doing, not stove. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to get fire going and then we'll bring you back. Right, so far someone asked me, it's the Laplander. I've had it since August, well before August, it's August now. Father's Day, sorry. An absolute brilliant. A load of cutting with it, and it's still going strong. Right, so I don't know if you're aware, most people will be by now, is I do have another YouTube channel. It's like my baby channel. What I do on that is I take a look at cheap Amazon stoves and eBay stoves. This one is a cheap £10 stove, and I did think it was going to be no good. I'm not going to tell you what I thought about at the end of it all, but you get a little bowl where you can put your gel or your meth spirits or whatever you use to burn it if you don't want a fire. But what I'll do at the end of this video is I'll put a block up somewhere just before I end, and that'll divert you straight to my new channel. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button. I think I'm on at the moment 770 subscribers with just 2 videos. So yeah, if you've not yet seen it, please help me out, and check that link out and go subscribe to my new channel. For now, let's get this fire going. Right, I always say I'm no professional, I'm no bushcrafter, so I want to see if I can get it going by burning some of this bark. Yeah, that's working brilliant, isn't it? So Scott give me some of this gel fuel. You know what? We'll just put a bit of this on and help us out a little bit quicker. There we go. Might be cheating, but it's easy. So what matters, isn't it, Scott?
Exactly, yeah.
We need to eat, we have to cheat. I want to try break that, but that will be impossible. It's a bit harder than I thought. Snap my kneecap in half. Yeah, foxes.
Like yapping.
Yeah. Right, I'll let that kick in and I'll bring you back. Right, so we've got the kettle over the fire. Fire's not brilliant, but it'll kick in soon, and then we'll better have a nice warm drink. It's not cold, but having a coffee when you're out camping is always a bit of a bonus as well, especially if you're not having out to drink. Right, so very easy to put on. Job done. Hardly any effort. What I have got is some and I do feel really mean, because Scott's come out showing people, you know, you don't have to come out and eat a load of nice food. You can always go see his channel if you want. I'll share the link in the description to his channel for you, and you can check out his channel. But people are complaining that we are eating like kings. Well, I'm sorry, but I don't have to starve myself. It's just to please people who don't want to eat like I do. And these are 4 chops coated with chili and sweet chili spices. If you can hear the alarms in the background, I really am sorry. We're not far from civilization. Like I've said before, this little spot that we're allowed to come in is not far from civilization, and we think there's been a power cut. So there's a few alarms going off in the background. I'm sorry about that if you can hear it. Have they all stopped?
I think they have there just now.
Brilliant. Got a red pepper, and then we've got some mushrooms to put on. So when these are cooked a little bit on each side, slice this down and lay this on top of the grill as well, and we'll put the mushrooms on whole. I think I did have 4 of them, but I think my daughter must have nicked one. I'm sure I got 4. Right, I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Right, let's turn these over a little bit. Ooh, look at that. That bit of fat looks nicely burnt a little bit there.
I'm really regretting bringing just noodles.
I'm not regretting it, mate. Not at all. Never seen a pack of lions when they get their fair share of meat, they run off with it.
Yeah, that'd be me in a bit.
Scott, someone's nicked my dinner. Right, let's cook some of this pepper up and stick mushrooms on as well. Right, so as usual, I forgot some, even though I did a checklist, I forgot my chopping board. So I'm using the back of Scott's frying pan. I just want to try and take all the seeds out, really, don't I? So if someone says anything, yes, my knife skills aren't perfect. Somebody will say that, I guarantee it. You need to learn how to use a knife. Now let's do it properly. Yeah, try to do. Can't remember what that person said. I think he said my granny can cook better than you. That's what he said. I think he says, right?
I would have said she's got more experience.
I think he says my granny's 92. She can cook better than you at her age.
I would have said it's all down to experience.
Not my fault, is it?
Just because she's older than me.
Right, let's put these on fire. And then get the mushrooms out.
Just get sure that you got wet wipe to clean the bottom of the pan to get peppers off.
You're going to burn it, aren't you?
I'm not using pan.
You're not?
No. I'm going to use the kettle again and then pour it straight in my cooked noodles.
Oh yeah, you're having noodles for your tea, aren't you?
Yeah, and a pork chop and some pepper and a bit of mushroom.
Now, I think if you've made it to this long in video, a big thumbs up for that, because that does look extremely good. So yeah, if you're liking this, give me a thumbs up please. Right, so I think I can safe to say my dinner is ready. And get my, oh look at that, slightly brown, well slightly burnt, but what matters. Nice meal, the presentation is a bit rubbish, but as long as it tastes right, I'm not too bothered. Right, so they're nice. You know what? I'm just going all in. Ah. Wow. that chili powder stuff I put on. What a kick. Not bad though. Remember what I said in the other video? Don't be the person that wants to do this. If you can, with your health, you know, get out, have a go at doing it. Feel this being out, cooking on a campfire, eating food off your fire. It's absolutely brilliant. I know a gentleman said his health stops him doing this. This is why he likes my channel as well. But if you can get out, go do it and let me know what you think about it, because it's a whole new world. You don't have to be very far. You don't have to be, you know, in a massive jungle somewhere or a massive piece of woodland. Like this one, it's not big, but we've got permission to be here. So it's somewhere to come when we want a quick camp like this. And you'll get to experience cooking meat on a campfire. I've learnt a lot doing it this way, because one time I used to chuck it on when the fire was blazing, you know, stick meat on, cook the meat in 2-3 seconds, burn the hell out of it. But you know what? I've really learnt to let it die down, slowly cook it, and at the end, then put a bit more wood on it. You know, just give it that nice flame grill look. You learn as you go along with stuff like this. Not everyone's perfect from the first stage of it all. Right, we're just gonna sit here for a bit, enjoy the fire. It's better than any TV. Even if you're watching this video on a TV, this is better than what you're watching right now. This is the thing.
Bushcraft TV.
Yeah, Bushcraft TV. Where have you got that from?
I don't know.
Bushcraft TV, that's good, I like that. I watched a man saying, oh, I'm live streaming, and he was near a stream. That was pretty good. I laughed at that one.
Full of dad jokes. Anyway, English Woodsman view, I'm enjoying some noodles now.
He's having cheap noodles and I had all that at me. I offered him, if you don't want to take it, what can I do, people, you know what I mean?
I'm on a simple night.
I think he's on a diet more like.
Yeah. Wife stopped feeding me.
Right, I'll bring you back in a bit. Right, well, I'm just climbing myself into bed. Look, I say it in most videos, I'm sorry we don't do a lot. You know, there's only so many things you can do when you come out camping anyway. You can set up, do a bit of cooking, have a bit of chat, bits and bats. We've been on about it tonight, what me and Scott can do a lot more of. So we're in talks of, you know, doing different things on camera soon. But that'll just mean longer videos. So if you're alright with longer videos, we can start, you know, putting more stuff in. So let me know about your thoughts. Are you alright with longer videos if we start showing more stuff? And yeah, I'm going to get off now. Me and Scott's having a talk about his other channel, what he's hopefully setting up. I just quickly want to say, Ash Outdoors, I've got your badge, mate. Thank you, Scott. Yeah, so check his YouTube channel. It's called Ash Outdoors UK. I think I've got a bit of catching up to do with this channel. But yeah, check out his channel. And a nice badge as well, mate. Beautiful, really is. Velcro back as well. Yeah, not bad. Right, well, I'm going to get off to sleep. So I'll definitely see you later on. Right, morning people. I've just got out of my tent to go to the toilet. It's 8:30. Scott is still snoring away in his hammock. I've even, you know, pulled a little bit so now he's rocking side to side. But he's still snoring his head off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can pack up and leave him here again. I may get myself off home. Stay tuned. I'll be back in a minute if I can do it. I'll put this down further outfield. This will make a right racket.